Ka Voice of the People Party kalakin tho jore ka Sorkar jila halor ka jumpen slam ban sei Paidbah ek report jong ka expert committee ka babishar ek job reservation policy u presiden ka VPP bat u MLA nongkrem u ba Arden mila besayamon u loong ba lapalat Rio Bnai na du bala IT ek report Henry ka Sorkar kamsham lapin mi Paidbah hadu minta ulama ham balada ke Sorkar kampen mi Paidbah mardor ya kate ke report ka VPP kan sebeteng biang ya ke jingiki ka export committee kabala khli da u justice mul changar la thau house nem arjar ar phulai ban bishar ya ka reservation policy khandai spa nyopuar bat la IT ya ka report ha ujilio arjar ar pusan hinrei ka Sorkar kampat ai ka nu ka por bagan pin mi Paidbah
Kani kalong ka KHUBOR siya Chief Minister jong ka jila Meghalaya. Kin riutli ki Bnai kila ya Hadien bag expert committee kala pa ya ka report siya ka Sorkar jila. Nrei kalong ka basngusi baga Sorkar jila kampat shimla penbana Paidbah ya kani ka report hadu minta. Wat Hadien ba ka party kala ai ka jingtho bonsin ban pen kan mau ba kidei ban penbana Paidbah no ya kani ka report. Lada ka Sorkar kadang yai penslem. Parti kan haban shim ya ka sen jam. Ban penlong daga jingeki Paidbah sa shisen pat ha kini ki kindiat singi ba ki kindiat por ki ban wan. This is an open statement to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. 6 months had lapsed since the submission of the report by the expert committee. However, the state government seems not to be willing to make it public till today, despite repeated reminders from the party. Therefore, in this connection, the party would be compelled to resume its agitation if the government failed to announce the report of the expert committee immediately. Thank you.